I'm originally from the Philadelphia area. I've spent a lot of time in Hawaii. I spent time in California. And about 8 years ago, I moved to Costa Rica full time. And I can honestly say there's no place I'd rather be. The three details that really stand out with this property is the breathtaking view, the privacy, and also the fact it's in the world-famous resort of Los Sueños. You really do get the best of both worlds here.
The drive time to the property is approximately 1 hour for those of us like myself coming from San Jose or international travelers from the airport in Juan Santa Maria. As you get down into the town of Herradura, you reach the gates of Los Sueños, where the true sense of arrival really begins. 18-hole championship golf, a world-class marina, 200 slips to enjoy deep-sea fishing right from your backyard, as well as a variety of international restaurants and shops in the Marina Village. Los Sueños is truly the most successful and iconic resort community in Costa Rica. Situated in the most exclusive community within Los Sueños, Vista Tres Bahias, the home offers a combination of unique luxury as well as flexible usage. You've got 2 bedrooms on the upstairs level, 3 bedrooms outside of the main section of the home. Floor-to-ceiling glass that really brings in those amazing views from the outside into the interior of the home.
The country's mantra is Pura Vida, which translates to pure life, and the locals really take that serious and live each day to the fullest. There are so many lifestyle opportunities here in Los Sueños. I would have to say the more popular ones are the sport fishing, there's golfing, there's surfing, or you can just relax at the White Sand Beach Club. It really is a magical setting up here.
Whether it's a corporate retreat, a place for family and friends to get together, you can enjoy all the myriad of activities within 5 minutes of the home. Come home in the afternoon, hire one of the local talented chefs to cook out some fresh catch of the day out by the pool, enjoying the views, and know that you're waking up to this pristine ocean and rainforest view estate within the confines of a luxury resort community.